In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Milwordy spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, I've already done the pre-work of labeling the overview sheet with the months, the days, and the total row at the bottom. I make a new sheet for every month. Back in the overview sheet, I black out all the days for the months that do not exist, so 29th, 30th, and 31st for February, and then the 31st for other months. I format each monthly sheet, and then I click the first cell under Project, and I go to Data and Data Validation. I select List, and I leave the two items on the right checked, and then I type in my project names to create the dropdown. I copy and paste the dropdown into the rest of the column cells. In the first cell under Total, I click =, sum, parentheses, and then type in the cell names. I copy and paste the daily total formula into the rest of the cells of that column. I copy the drop-downs into the other monthly sheets, and I repeat the daily total formulas for each sheet. Back in the overview sheet, I click the bottom cell and I select auto sum from the menu, and then I highlight the cells that are going to be included in the auto sum. I then copy and paste that formula into the rest of the row. Just like in Google Sheets, to pull in data from another sheet, you do =, name of the other sheet, exclamation point, name of the cell. I copy and paste the equation down the rest of the column, and then I repeat the process for the remaining 11 months. To create the comparative line graph, I select the entire table minus the total row, and I click Insert Graph. Like Google Sheets, you can't make an interactive graph like you can in Numbers, so I'm jumping right to the monthly comparison. For the monthly comparison total bar graph, I select the bottom row and I click Insert Graph again, and then I select the clustered bar graph. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon down below so you don't miss any future videos from me. I make videos about musical theater and my writing, and I host writing sprints on Sundays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The next video coming from me will be all about Scrivener.